guys! I have here some of the best sellers of 2024 collections. So ayan, ang gaganda. Bibilisan lang natin yung pulp compare sa mga model na to. So they are all 2024 collections. So ang gaganda. So we will start at the square frame, which is the small frame. If you're looking for something square and then maliit lang, so I have here the Deer 01. Maraming nagpapa-pre-order nito. It's so nice. It's just so small. Unlike if you are going to compare it with the Palette 01, small to siya. So look at the back. You will see the 2024 logo and then the metal detail. Okay, at the front, it's same with the Palette 01, all black acetate frame, and it's so nice. Ganda, it's so plain black. And then, the next one, I have here the cat eye. So, this is so cat eye. If you're looking for something cat eye, and then maliit lang yung frame niya, I suggest you to have this Cookie 01. Sobrang cat eye nito. Compare natin yung size. Look at the size. Okay, so it's so cat eye. And then, i-compare din natin with the other model. Siyempre, magkaiba talaga sila. Okay. Ang ganda, oh. Then, at the back, you will see the 2024 logo as well. Same with the Deer 01. Ang ganda nito, no? Ang liit lang. Lalo kapag maliit yung face mo, kapag suot mo to, sobrang ganda. This is introduced and then wear by some of the characters of the trending Queen of Tears. So, sinuot nila to sa trending ngayon na K-drama. Ganda. So small. Palette 0. Ay, the Cookie 01. Also, binili to ni Miss Ann Curtis sa kanyang unboxing. So, in-upload niya to actually. The Cookie T1. So, nice. And then, ayan, mong liit lang. Ganda na size. Okay, the next one, I have here the Tutti 01 and then the Tutti T1. Okay, so unahin muna natin tong Tutti 01. So, unlike the square frame, kapag kinumpare naman sila, it's kinda rectangular yung shape niya. Okay, kasi ito ay square frame yung Deer 01. Ito, ang ganda din ng size. If you're looking for something not into square frame and then not into big or oversized frame, and then hindi naman din siya cat eye, yung parang semi lang, I have here the Tutti 01. It's also the same with the Hugo 01, yung mga 2024 model labas, and also the Nabi and then the Nada. Yun yung mga new model ngayon na release. Ang ganda, no? Okay, you will see the Tutti and then the Gentle Monster. Mas bold na yung logo niya sa loob. Okay, the next one, I have here the T1. So, if you are not something into black, meron din naman na tayong mga tortoise. Ayan, it's Tutti. Look at the back. Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda ng detail niya na lens itself and then also the style. And then, ang gaganda ng 2024 model na release ngayon. Ang ganda. Madami sila actually. Ang ganda. Yan. So, look at the size. Napaka-cat eye nito. Ang ganda nitong cookie. And then also this one. Lahat sila maganda. Lahat. Gusto kong suotin. Okay. Ito small lang yung Deer 01. Marami nagpapa-pre-order sa akin yan. Okay. So once again, these are the 2024 model, and if you are interested, please send us a message. So this is the Deer 01, the next one is Cookie 01, and then the third one is Tutti T1, the tortoise one, and then the last one is